So I just moved over the past weekend.
But I have good news, the Legos made it with minimal damage.
So let's get some repairs done and set this bad boy up.
First things first, let's take care of some downed trees.
But it ain't all that easy. Now we've got to fix this mech up.
Now trust me when I said this won't be easy. There's only one stud connecting the back of this on.
Now we got it all together. Let's hope I don't break it moving it around.
There we go, now that's looking pretty good to me.
But there's one more thing.
I forgot to mention that this one lights up.